In this video, we are going to solve systems of equations using the substitution method. For example 1, we have y equals 24x minus 19, and y equals 28x minus 3. So from the first equation, we know that 24x minus 19 has the same value as y. They're equal, they are interchangeable. So in the second equation, if I can find y, I can actually replace the y with the 24x minus 19. And if I do that, we would get the equation 24x minus 19 equals 28x minus 3. And this makes sense because if 24x minus 19 is equal to y, and 28x minus 3 is also equal to y, they have to be equal to each other. And once we've done that first step, we just need to solve the equation to find the value of the variable. So we can subtract 24x from both sides. That gives us negative 19 equals 4x minus 3. Then we add 3 to both sides. That gives us negative 16 equals 4x. We could divide both sides by 4, and that gives us a value of negative 4 for x. Remember, a system of equations, the solution is the point of intersection, and remember that is the point x, y. We know now that the value of x is negative 4, but we need to find the y value. So we could choose either equation, y equals 24x minus 19, or y equals 28x minus 3. I'm going to choose y equals 28x minus 3. And we're going to plug in the value that we just found. The value of x is negative 4. So in this equation, we are going to plug in negative 4 for x. If we do that, we get y equals 28x times negative 4 minus 3. And if we simplify, we get y equals negative 112 minus 3. So y is equal to negative 115. So my solution would be the point negative 4, negative 115. For example 2, we can follow those same steps. We know that y has a value of negative 4x plus 18. So we can look in the other equation, find the y, and we can replace that y with negative 4x plus 18. So now I'm going to rewrite the 3x minus 2y equals 19. 3x minus 2. Remember, we're going to substitute for y equals 19. We're going to substitute the negative 4x plus 18 for y since they're equal. Our next step, solving that equation, we need to distribute the negative 2. So I'm going to multiply negative 4x by negative 2 and 18 by negative 2. When we do that, we get 3x plus 8x minus 36 equals 19. We can combine like terms on the left side. 11x minus 36 equals 19. Next, we add 36 to both sides to get that variable term by itself. And we get 11x equals 55. And if we divide both sides by 11, we get that x is 5. Again, our solution is the point of intersection, and we would write that as an ordered pair. We know the x value is 5. We need to find the y value. We could use 3x minus 2y equals 19, or we could use y equals negative 4x plus 18. It's quicker, more efficient to use y equals negative 4x plus 18 in this case. Again, we know the value of x. We're going to plug that in for x so that we can now find y. So y equals negative 4 times 5 plus 18. Y equals negative 20 plus 18. And that would give us a y value of negative 2. So y is negative 2. So the point of intersection, the solution for that system, would be the point 5, negative 2.